Yeah, hi there everyone. This is Ashmita from Saurav's classes. Here, as you can see on the screen, we are going to solve certain questions from the Civil Services Examination of 2023. This is part one, and I have been choosing three to four questions in each of the videos, and I'll be discussing them in details. If you want to have more and more interactive discussions and doubt clearing sessions, you can join our classes. सभी details आपके description box में दिया गया है. वीडियो के नीचे जो description box है, do visit that. And if you want to have live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access, and any kind of preparation regarding any kind of examinations, then you can join our classes. Now, for time being, let's focus on the questions over here. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. About 3/4 of the world's cobalt, a metal that is required for the manufacture of batteries for electric motor vehicles, is produced by which country? तो इसका आंसर रहेगा डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ द कॉन्गो. तो ये जो डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक है ऑफ द कॉन्गो, इसको आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कह सकते हैं DRC, क्योंकि मैं इसी शॉर्ट फॉर्म को यूज़ करूँगी अभी एक्सप्लेनेशन के बाद. सो DRC इज़ अ मेजर ग्लोबल प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कोबाल्ट according to accounting for a significant portion of its global production. Okay, and cobalt is a crucial component in lithium ion batteries used in electric vehicles. जो electric vehicles में जो batteries use किया जाता है उसमें ये सबसे important material होता है. ये जो lithium का जो product cobalt lithium ion batteries जो होता है, and it is also used in various other electronic devices. So we can say the DRCs, that is the Democratic Republic of the Congo, में जो cobalt reserves है, and the production they make they make it like a key player in the global cobalt market. Okay, they play a very major role over here. Therefore, the correct answer would be that is option C, of course. Now let's move over to question number 8. That is, which one of the following is a part of the Congo Basin? यहाँ पे आप लोगों का करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा कैमरून, एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्गो बेसिन ओवर हियर इज कैमरून. let us discuss in a little bit detailed manner कि कॉन्गो बेसिन कहाँ पे है, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है इसका. तो कॉन्गो बेसिन जो है ये एक बहुत ही वास्ट रीजन है इन सेंट्रल अफ्रीका, encompassing several countries. Okay, so it is the home to the Congo rainforest, which is the second largest tropical rainforest in the world, Congo rainforest. While multiple countries are part of this Congo basin, Cameroon is one of those countries within the given options जो इस region के अंदर आता है. So definitely Cameroon is our correct answer, and the other answers in the options, that is Nigeria, South Sudan and Uganda, these do not fall within the Congo basin. Therefore, the correct answer is Cameroon. Now let's move over to the next question, that is question number 9. Consider the following statements. Amarkantak hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahyadri ranges. तो चलिए इन सभी स्टेटमेंट्स को वन बाय वन एनालाइज करते हैं. तो ये जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, अमरकंटक हिल्स आर एट द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ विंध्या एंड सह्याद्री रेंजेस, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. ओके, why? Because Amarkantak hills are firstly not at the confluence of the Vindhya and the Sahyadri ranges. Instead, they are the source of the Narmada river. Okay, so they are the source of the Narmada river. Narmada river, and are considered the meeting point of the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges. Okay, so consider the meeting point of not Sahyadri but Satpura ranges. Satpura ranges. Okay, now talking about the second statement. Biligiri Rangan Hills, they constitute the easternmost part of Satpura range. So is it correct or not? Now this statement is also incorrect. Okay, so number 2 is also incorrect, because these hills, that is Biligiri Rangan Hills, are not a part of the Satpura range. They are located in Karnataka. Okay, They are located in Karnataka and are a part of the Eastern Ghats. So Satpura range का तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है and eastern most part भी नहीं है, ये एक part है of the Eastern Ghats. Okay. Yes, so next discussing option 3 or statement 3, sorry. Shesha Kalam hills constitute the southernmost part of the Western Ghats. Now this statement is also considered to be incorrect because they are located in the Andhra Pradesh region of India, means the Sheshachalam hills are there in the Andhra Pradesh region of India. And they are also known as the Tirumala Hills. So if you haven't heard of this name Sheshachalam, you might have heard of Tirumala Hills. Tirumala Hills, which are not a part of the Western Ghats. Okay. So here they had told that these were the eastern southernmost part of the Western Ghats. So yeah, that is not the case. So this is wrong. So which one option would be the correct one? Yeah, so all options are incorrect. So let's go with none. Option D, none. Okay. So if you want to discuss more and more questions like this with me, then you can join our classes. All the details are given in the description box below, जैसे कि मैंने already कहा है in the beginning of the video. So yeah, if you want to have mock tests, live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access, then do join our classes. We will help you out with all your preparation for any kind of competitive or entrance examinations. So yeah, that's it for today's class. Let's meet once again in our next classes.